What's up, guys? I'm Bobby. If you're subscribed, you know that it's been my YouTube channel for a while now, and I drive the Mark V GTI, which has it's 2009, so it's got the TSI engine and not the FSI. Just kind of a rundown of what I've already got in the car. I've got a cold air intake. I have a KO4 upgrade with catch can, 3-inch turbo back exhaust with cat delete, upgraded intercooler, and a intake manifold. And because it's the first gen TSI, I jumped timing, and that was a whole fiasco. So I ended up getting a new engine in it with a built head with SuperTech valves and springs. So I'm sitting pretty. But the main reason of this video is I wanted to introduce my buddy Nate here. We're going to collaborate from now on. It's going to be a joint channel. And why don't you give him a little rundown?
All right, guys. So, like Bobby said, I'm Nate. I'm driving a 2018 7.5 facelift GTI. I've had the car for about a month and a half now. I currently have a S&B filters intake, a JB4 piggyback. I went ahead and kind of straight piped it. I kept my resonator, but I got rid of my muffler. And then I've got Racing Line VRW, coils with their new struts. And so,
she's pretty.
She is pretty.
She stands quite well for the stock wheels for now. But,
I mean, if you wanted to go into all of the nitpicky stuff, we could do that too.
There's a ton of cosmetic stuff done on the car, but you guys have seen mine, and his is. Some people call it Stormtrooper, but it's not really the look you're going for. We can get into that later, though. But anyways, so the channel from now on, like I said earlier, we're going to be collaborating. So if you guys have any comments or suggestions on videos you want to see from us, send us a message, hit us up in the comments. If you like what we're doing, please subscribe to us. And with everything that we've got done, it is a little bit. I'm not going to pull stuff off my car just to shoot videos unless I get an overwhelming need to see how a cold air intake goes in, but I'm sure there's plenty of other videos out there for a Mark V cold air intake by this point. So anything you guys want to, like general maintenance kind of stuff, we're more than happy to do it. This guy's an amazing car detailer, so if you guys want to say, hey, what are some of the best cleaning products out there, and how do I get my glass clean without streaks on it kind of stuff, hit him up. Great guy for that. So other than that, we started an Instagram page as well. So that one is _Plaid_life. So follow us there.
We'll throw a link in the description. So
yeah, we're actually very active on that one, and I think that's about it.
Yeah. So. And then, just to piggyback a bit off of what Bobby said, since my car is relatively new and I have experience with YouTube, I do have another YouTube channel that I upload to regularly. So 90% of the stuff that I did to the car is taped, so look forward to most of those. The only thing that I couldn't get recorded was the struts.
Yes.
So yeah, I did not have enough workspace to get those struts done properly to begin with, so trying to put all the camera equipment up was just not going to happen. So, but everything else, so yeah, just like how Bobby said, if you want to see something, anything car related, just hit us up. We're glad to help you guys.
Appreciate you guys. Stay safe. Have fun.